What's up, I'm Jeff Langley, Malibu Factory Team Rider, and here's some quick tips on launching the boat. Launching your new Malibu can seem intimidating at first, but it's relatively simple with these quick tips. Follow along and you'll be a boat ramp champ in no time. When you roll up to the boat ramp with your rig, find the staging area and get your boat ready to launch. Everyone at the ramp will appreciate it if you launch as efficiently as possible, and the staging area is the place to make that happen. If it's your first time launching, try to go on a day when the ramp is less crowded so you can take your time. To provide shade and sun protection for your boat, you can deploy the bimini. If you have the Apex bimini, you will slide the bimini forward away from the tower, remove the boot, unravel the bimini, flip the rear half back, attach the support stanchion, and then finish by attaching the Velcro straps around the frame. Wash your mirrors and take it slow. Roll down your windows and turn off your radio so you can hear your spotters in case you need to stop for any reason. When you hit the right depth, your Malibu trailer's depth alarm will let you know with a high-pitched noise you can hear in the tow vehicle. Put the vehicle in park and set the emergency brake. Unhook the emergency chain first if equipped. Carefully pull the winch a short distance in the only direction it will move, and flip the winch's direction selector switch to make it reverse directions. Hold onto the handle and carefully let the boat out until you can disengage the hook on the bow eye. Keep a tight grip so the handle doesn't slip out of your hand. The boat should be free now, so you can either guide it with lines to the dock or start the engine and have your driver pull away. If you're launching solo, you can hop in the boat and bring it to a sandy beach or dock. Then go get in the tow vehicle and trailer. Release the parking brake with the vehicle in park and your foot on the brake. Put the vehicle in drive and take it slow going out of the water so you have less chance of spinning the tires on a slick or steep ramp. Park with plenty of room to get out and you're ready for a great day on the water.